Brazil recalls ambassador after Milei's attacks on Lula. Brazil-Argentina tensions erupt after her remarks. Brazil has recalled its ambassador to Argentina after Argentine President Javier Milei launched a blistering attack on Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and the country's institutions during a visit to Sao Paulo, escalating an already tense relationship between South America's two largest economies. According to Reuters, Brazil's foreign ministry called Ambassador Julio Bitelli back to Brasilia for consultations after Milei described Lula as a convict and accused the Brazilian government of being run by thieving socialists. Brazilian officials viewed the remarks delivered on Brazilian soil as a direct affront to the president, the government, and the judiciary. Milei traveled to Brazil to support Senator Flavio Bolsonaro, the eldest son of former President Jair Bolsonaro, who formally launched his campaign for Brazil's presidential election scheduled for October 2026. Reuters reported that Milei appeared alongside Bolsonaro at a Liberal Party event in Sao Paulo, where he urged conservative voters to unite against Lula and the political left. The Associated Press said Milei also criticized Supreme Federal Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes after Brazilian authorities prevented him from visiting Jair Bolsonaro, who remains under legal restrictions. His comments drew condemnation from Brazilian officials, including Supreme Court President Edson Fachin, who defended the country's institutions and sovereignty. Reuters reported that the decision to recall Bitelli was taken on Sunday morning after Foreign Minister Mauro Vieira consulted President Lula. The move does not amount to a complete rupture in diplomatic relations, but it represents a formal expression of displeasure and signals that Brasilia considers the incident serious. Relations between Lula and Milei have remained strained since the Argentine president took office. Their opposing political positions, Milei's libertarian right-wing agenda and Lula's left-wing program, have repeatedly fueled public disagreements, while the two leaders have avoided an official bilateral meeting. The latest dispute adds a sensitive electoral dimension to relations between Brazil and Argentina, key members of the Mercosur trade bloc and major commercial partners. With Brazil's presidential race intensifying, Milei's open support for Flavio Bolsonaro is likely to deepen concerns in Brasilia over foreign involvement in the campaign and further complicate cooperation between the neighboring governments.